Alright, y'all, so I'm back. It's nighttime now. I had my popsicles in there the whole time. Look at it, you guys. I did it.
If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now.
Anything possible.
You already know.
You already know.
T&D Eatz.
Let's
go.
If I had a mansion or a box. If I had a little or a lot. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. They gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. They gon' watch me. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me. They gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. They gon' watch me. 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 They gon' watch me.
What it do, YouTube? It's your girl T, and I'm back with another video today. So today I seen this video or little TikTok thing, right? And the lady had popsicles. She cut it off, put a little bit of liquor in there, froze them, and had frozen adult popsicles, y'all. Just from the regular ones from the grocery store. So I got some. I want to try it out. I got a little Savaka cherry lemonade. I got a little Amsterdam. You feel me? So I don't know. I'm gonna just try it out and see what it tastes like and see if it's good. See if I do it right, you know, because I don't want to put too much and it don't freeze. You know what I mean? Do these popsicles right here. So also, you guys, I got the scissors to cut the popsicles. I got this little cup right here to pour some of the juice in, because I'm going to have to use, you know, this. So I'm going to do this. Hopefully this video don't be that long, because, you know, you guys, y'all be trying to act like y'all don't want to really watch the videos. And I'm like, do y'all want to watch the videos or not? I mean, if y'all don't, tell us what y'all want to see so we can learn how to, you know, make this work. I help you, you help me, and we're going to get this thing popping. So let's turn on the video so we can listen to what she talking about, why I make these little popsicles. Popsicles. These little popsicles. These little Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, y'all. So I did all these popsicles. I'm gonna shake them up. Boom, 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 boom. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. I don't know. I think this. Oh, hold on. I don't think this one closed all the way. Hold on. Cause I start feeling stuff. All right. Let's try it again. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Oh, oh, oh. All right, y'all. So I did the popsicles, and they look like regular popsicles. I was about to say they look good. They don't look like nothing. They look like regular popsicles. But I'm about to go put these in the freezer, y'all. I'm about to see if they're gonna freeze. Hopefully I did them right. Hopefully I didn't put too much liquor in there that they won't get a little slush to it. But y'all, I hope y'all like this video. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what y'all want to see once again, because if not, I'm going to just continue to do what I want to do on here. I need your help. I need some feedback. I need something. Y'all need some. You feel me? So I'm going to put these in the freezer, and then I'm going to get back to y'all so y'all can see what they look like when they're frozen. And we eat one, and we eat some. Because if they turn out good, y'all, I'm going to do the rest. You feel me? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 of them, y'all. All right, y'all. But I did my popsicles. I put them in the freezer, and I'll get back to y'all in a minute when they freeze. Yo, my popsicles came out good, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm about to taste these joints, get into these joints. About to try one. Chill. About to dab on these. Let's try this one. This one got the Savaka in there. It's funny because it's back closed, like, yeah. I can't even open. Yo, I ain't gonna hold this good.
It ain't good.
People is happy. You could tell people in the house. They gotta pop in. It was a good idea to put the cherry limeade in the green ones, to be honest. It was a good idea. So, y'all, I just had to let y'all know that I made them and it was a success. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone, y'all. Thanks for tuning in on this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying up to date with us, you guys. Keep on watching. Keep on pressing. Keep on sharing. Keep on liking. And please always comment. Love y'all. Peace.
C&D Eatz.
Let's
go.
If I had a mansion or a box, if I had a little or a lot, like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me.